Do you guys have water spots just like this? This car right here, we left sitting for 1 week, just letting the water spots bake into the paint to really put this kit up to the test. So come with me, I'm gonna show you how to use these kits, and we're gonna show you how to remove water spots the Water Spot King way. Our first kit is very simple and straightforward. It comes with 3 different products: our water spot remover, the applicator to apply it, and a towel to buff it off. We're just gonna be using water in a spray bottle to go ahead and neutralize it and wipe it off, but feel free to use a quick detailer or window cleaner if you are doing this on the glass. All right guys, now we're gonna go ahead and dive into how to actually use our heavy duty water spot remover. All you're gonna need is the included applicator. You're gonna open up the water spot remover. The reason that it's a gel and not a spray is it's an acidic product. So this way the gel is easier to control and apply, and you don't get any type of overspray on areas that this shouldn't go on. Now it's time to apply our water spot remover onto our applicator. All I like to do is do one simple line across. That is way more than enough. When applying our water spot remover, you really don't need to put any pressure or elbow grease. All you need to do is apply even coating onto the surface and let the water spot remover do its thing. As you can see, our water spot remover starts to take effect almost right away. As soon as it makes contact with the calcium buildup on the water spots that are embedded into the surface, it just completely eats it up. Now you don't need to let this product sit on the surface for too long. Once the water spots are gone, you're gonna wanna go ahead and neutralize it. Like I said earlier, we're gonna be going with just a simple spray bottle with water. All you're gonna do is spray the surface, spray your towel, and wipe it off in one direction. As you guys can see, with little to no effort, just neutralizing it with water worked really, really well, as well as using our included waffle weave towel that does come in the kit. All you're left with is a nice glossy finish and no water spots. All right guys, now this is the perfect kit to go ahead and remove those water spots, but to prevent future water spots, you're gonna wanna check out our water spot remover and protection kit. As you can see, there's actually 2 applicators in here, and the reason for that is because this one actually does come with our HydroCharge Ceramic Spray Coating. When using our HydroCharge Plus, you're gonna wanna make sure that the surface is clean and free of all water spots before you go ahead and apply. You're gonna grab the applicator, and all you're gonna do is put a couple sprays of our HydroCharge Plus onto the applicator. Now you're gonna apply even coating in cross-hatch motions. Make sure you guys apply an even coating, that way you guys don't miss any spots, leaving you with certain areas that are not protected. Now, depending on the climate, HydroCharge Plus may take anywhere between 15 and 45 seconds to go ahead and cure. In this case, we're in a cool area under shade, so we're gonna go ahead and wait the full 45 seconds for it to cure before we buff it off. All right guys, it's been about 45 seconds, so we're just simply gonna go ahead and wipe this off. Not only is our HydroCharge Plus gonna give you up to 12 months of protection from UV and water, but it's gonna give you an amazing ceramic gloss. And that's how easy it is to remove water spots using our 2 new kits. If you guys have any stubborn water spots, make sure you guys pick up either a water spot remover kit or a water spot remover and protection kit. And stay tuned if you guys wanna see us do the rest of this card.